This is the clinical math practice exam. Question number 1 that we're going to solve using the MedMath simplified formula. You have been ordered to administer 25 milligrams per kilogram of normal saline to a 52-pound child who has experienced nausea and vomiting over the past few days. How much fluid is required for this patient? Okay, so we're going to start by setting up the formula by figuring out what the question is asking for. How much fluid? So that's going to be in milliliters. So how many milliliters? And we're going to get this all at once. So we're just going to put this over 1, and we'll see why in a second, equals. We want to know what our ordered dose is. 25 milliliters per kilogram. So we're going to do 25 milliliters over here, because the units that we're asking have, and the numerator on the left side have to be the same on the right side. So milliliters is the numerator on the left, we want milliliters to be the numerator on the right. Over 1 kilogram for a 52-pound child. Now, we need to convert pounds to kilograms, and we're going to use the 10% rule. So we'll do that over here. 52 divided by 2. 2 goes into 5 twice, with 1 left over. 2 goes into 12 6 times. Now we want to take 10% of 26, which would be 2.6, minus 2.6, and then we'll make this 26.0 over here. So we'll do 10. Take 1 away from the 6. So 10 minus 6 is 4. 5 minus 2 is 3. 2 minus 0 is 2. 23.4. So we're going to round to the nearest kilogram. It's 0.4, so we'll round down. So we'll say this is 23 kilograms. We're going to multiply that by 23 kilograms. And we'll just put this over 1 so we can keep track of what we're allowed to cancel out. Okay, so now we're at the top where everything that's on the top of the equation, if there's something matching on the bottom, can be canceled out. So we're going to cancel out kilograms. And we should, when we finish canceling, have the same units that we want to measure on the right side of the equation than we do on the left. So we're just looking for milliliters on the left. We should be able to cancel out all the units on the right, then just be left with milliliters. So what we're left with is 25 milliliters times 23 over 1 equals, so we'll just do the math over here, 25 times 23, 5 times 3 is 15, 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7, 0, 2 times 5 is 10, 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5, add these, 575 milliliters. And we'll circle our answer. That's how much fluid is required for this patient.